This is cause numbers 26 DCCR 0277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284.
Well, that escalated quickly. A single failed drug test is serious enough, but multiple illegal substances showing up at once is almost guaranteed to get a judge's attention. Remember, bond isn't just about getting out of jail. It's a promise to follow the court's rules. Break that promise, and the court can tighten the leash almost immediately.
184 and 0490. And Mr. Bonton was examined for competency to stand trial by Dr. Grimsley. I received that report. I'm going to take judicial notice of the court's file in all of the cases. The report is dated April 14th of 2026. The finding in that report is that Mr. Bonton is currently not competent to stand trial, and that inpatient treatment for competency restoration would be warranted. Is there any other evidence with regard to competency?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
At this time, then, I am going to find that Mr. Bonton is not competent to stand trial. Hang on, let me say what I need to first, and then I'll let you.
It's Illuminati, man. I got a government microphone chip in my left knee, my right hand. I've been to the hospital. I understand the courts, man. George Bush know me. I'm not lying about nothing. I testify and take a lot of tests. I'm innocent. I got the right to freedom of speech, man. I'm asking for probation 2-year cap. I go home today because these people on the Illuminati application on their phone is manipulating the government system through my chip. I do hear voices. I don't take medication, and they force you to take medication and join S. Dunn Behavior Center. Coach Lewis know me. I was here. I had an aggravated robbery job. I shot a 9mm 2 times, one third way.
Mr. Bonton,
Judge shot that 45.
Go back with the bailiff. You can go with the bailiff.
Talk, man. I'm sorry about that.
All right, I'm going to find that Mr. Bonton is not competent to stand trial.
Sacrifice him, man.
That inpatient restoration treatment is warranted. Order that he be sent to the appropriate facility for a period of not to exceed 120 days from the date he gets to that facility. Good morning, sir. You are John. Is it Foret or Foret? Foret. And Mr. Foret has 2 cases: 25 DCCR 1458, charged with burglary of a building, and then 26 DCCR 0047, charged with criminal mischief. And what is the announcement?
Judge, on the newer case, the criminal mischief, we just repped it last week. We've done our tape request and everything, so I'm expecting that we'll get the videos in here pretty soon, but we'll have to have another video.
Sure. And those are the same offense dates. So initially it looks like there was a new offense after the first one, but there was.
Same day.
Okay, just for whatever reason indicted sometime later. Any issues?
No, Judge, just would the court possibly consider doing a drug test on him this morning, just to kind of see what position we in?
Yeah, sure. If there's some issues that you want me to check that, I will. Mr. Fort, have a seat in the jury box.
We're going to help us towards resolving if we know the result.
Sure. Duma Turner, Mr. Belmore.
He's outside.
Did y'all get y'all got the check, the money?
It was going to be paid to probation, Your Honor.
Let's make sure that happens.
Mr. Crenshaw was going to facilitate that, so.
I want to make sure that you can put on the judgment the whole amount. Put the $6,500. That way, if he pays it, it's fine. Because if I put it wrong, then it won't show up. So this one was on the Mr. Galmore on John Foray, Smallfino. And so Mr. Foray tested positive for THC, cocaine, methamphetamines, amphetamines, and benzodiazepine. So obviously, there was some information that Ms. Smallfino had that I did not as to why we should test, but there's something going on here. And that's clearly a violation of the bond in both of the cases. I'm going to find that you have violated the bond.
Let's pause for a second because this is an important legal distinction. The judge isn't deciding whether the defendant is guilty or innocent here. Instead, the court is deciding whether he's mentally competent to understand proceedings and assist in his own defense. When a defendant is found incompetent, the criminal case pauses while competency restoration treatment begins. Justice can't move forward until a defendant is legally capable of participating.
On conditions in cause number 26 DCCR 0047, raise your bond in that case. Let me see what it's set at. Give me just a second.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So in 0047, I'm going to raise the bond in that case to $50,000. I'll go over conditions in just a second. And then the first one, do you have that one? Clause number 25, DCCR 1458. Raise the bond in that case to $25,000. Condition in each of those, a bond in each of those cases, if you make those bonds, is that you have a drug patch on at all times. You will have to have a drug patch within 24 hours of your release from custody. They get changed every 2 weeks. If they test positive when you get out, it's a violation, and obviously